Most ancient Egyptians had brothers and sisters, oftentimes very many of them. But how did they write the words for brother and sister in hieroglyphs? That's up next. The words for brother and sister were actually very similar to each other. Both start with sen, spelled with this arrowhead hieroglyph, and then a complementary water sign for a complementary N. The word for brother could end there, or they might also include a seated man determinative. For sister, a tea bread loaf was included to give the word a feminine ending. Like with brother, sister also sometimes had a determinative, a seated woman in this case. These words are used really frequently to label people's family members on monuments, such as on this stela belonging to Kel. Kel is shown making offerings for his parents, as well as his brothers and sisters. For example, the first of his sisters shown here is labeled as Senet F. Taweret, his sister Taweret. But there's another way that this word could be used that you might not expect, which we'll get to in a moment. First, have you joined my free 5-day hieroglyph Jumpstart challenge yet? Learn to read the most common hieroglyphs as if they were English in just 5 days. It's totally free to sign up at voicesofancientegypt.com/challenge, and we're starting really soon. So back to that other use for the word for sister. Starting in the New Kingdom, you'll also see this word for sister used as a term of endearment for a wife. So oftentimes, if you see a couple seated or standing together, and the woman is labeled as his sister, she's actually his wife. We can see this on the walls of a tomb that belonged to a man named Nakh, who was a scribe in Thebes during the reign of Thutmose IV. In this scene, Nakh's wife is labeled Senet F, Merit F, and Set Ib F, his beloved sister of his affection, but we can understand that this actually means she was his wife. For more on what all of these Fs mean, check out this video here, or check out the whole series on family terms here.